adesso? È attaccatissimo dietro adesso.
Fai un giro piano e spingi.
È attaccatissimo dietro.
Fai un giro piano e spingi, vai, vai.
A un decimo danino.
Attacca tantissimo dietro.
2-3 hai fatto, 2-3 hai fatto.
Ma è troppo alto, non riesco a guidarlo.
What's in our future? Are we really entitled to ask? Or are we so blinded by our egos that we truly believe that what we do can have an impact? One year ago, Racenow was born. A simple project, but also very ambitious. Its own goal was to unite as many people as possible around this amazing world. It has been a really intense year, in which I met many new friends and I found a lot of joy. But also a lot of bad luck and many difficulties. I don't know what's gonna be there for me in the future. I don't know if we are close to an end, or simply we are in front of a new beginning. What I really know right now, there is a war to fight, and it begins now.
Io appena vedo che muove il braccio andiamo, no?
Ragazzi,
quando abbassa, sì.
Al contrario era veramente una cazzata.
Quando ti fermi la tienilo tanto in alto il motore, ok? Perché se no si riempie il carburatore e non parte. Tienilo tanto.
Dai, aspetta che sono passato. Vai, abbassa di scorza. Faceva tutta la testa.
Mi raccomando, non fare minchiate.
No.
Aspetta.
Boh.
Stiamo cercando una telecamera.
Dai,
Abbiate un
amici.
minuto di pazienza. Un giro.
Sì, ma fa caldo.
Sì, no, infatti.
Sì, ora che la trovano, ragazzi. Ma... Dai, andiamo.
Abbiamo detto un attimo.
Guys, we are finally ready to start. I am really hot right now.
qualifying we decided to lose the rear end of the car to make it slide a bit more. I hope that we did the right thing. Anyway, there is no more time now. We are almost on the grid. As Mickey said, let's try not fuck it up. I can't believe it, what a shit start! Okay, I had a better exit than Bonino. Now I'm gonna lunge him on the inside. Think, Nino, think. No fight now. We are faster. We have to catch them up straight away. Caught up with the group. I knew I had more pace. I have to overtake them straight away. Come on guys, Cavalieri is pulling away. We need to go faster.
What a risk, guys, what a risk. I had a poor exit from the last corner. Instead, Bonino had a much better exit than I did and obviously decided to lunge me on the inside. I honestly didn't see him because I was focused on studying how to overtake the guy in front. And so I decided to turn in my go-kart. However, as soon as he entered my peripheral vision, I quickly realigned my steering wheel in order to avoid contact. Thankfully, we both made it without touching each other. The problem is, since I cannot overtake the guy in front, I'm risking way too much and I'm losing a lot of time. I have to overtake him now.
Bonino is really putting pressure on me, but I also understood that he's very clean and won't make stupid moves. But I can clearly see that the guys in front are really slowing me down. I'm really anxious to overtake, and this is making me do more mistakes.
Okay, I am an idiot. I thought I erased the SD card in the main GoPro, and instead, nothing. Black. Total black. The memory is now full, and the onboard of this race ends here. Unfortunately, I did not even have the GoPro on my radiator, so there is no way for me to show you what I saw during the last part of the race. But don't worry, I will make a little summary of what happened. In the same lap, I managed to gain one position thanks to a mistake of one of the guys in front that spun at turn 4, gifting me the 4th position. The constant pressure from Bonino woke me up and pushed me to try overtaking the guy in front. At the first hairpin, I decided to go late on the brakes and try a switchback maneuver, also exploiting a little mistake that the guy in front of me made. Then in a quite aggressive way, I decided to cut him up and preventing him to lunge me back on the inside. After the overtake, I managed to improve a lot my race pace. I really tried my best to catch P2, but in the end there were not enough laps remaining. Even though I started lapping almost 2/3 tenths faster than the second position. Unfortunately, again, my lack of experience and lack of preparation affected me a lot in a bad way, both in qualifying and the start of the race. But also this time I spent way too much time throughout the race at looking back over my shoulder. That is pointless. You only lose focus and you get more nervous. The end of the race is in front of you. That's your main goal. That's what you have to achieve. Behind your shoulder, there's only the past. And if the past ever wanted to come back to you, only then we will have the chance to stop him once and for all. Anyway, nothing is too bad since we start P3 for the final race. Cavalieri race pace confirmed how in shape he is this weekend. And in order to win this race, a mediocre race without mistake will not be sufficient. In order to win this race, each corner must be driven perfectly. I will have to push at each single lap.